Jill. Hi, Jill. Hi, Jack. Hi, guys. How are you?
Good.
Hi. She already knows. Now she's ready, huh?
Yeah, he's trained her.
Yeah. Look, Corbin. Look. This is Jack.
No, this
Oh,
one's
no, this
Jill.
Is Jill. Sorry, yeah. Jill.
Hi, Jill.
And that's Jack. You guys are so beautiful. They're the regulars.
He leaned on the horn.
He's the new guy, so we gotta catch him up. Alright, Corbin, right?
Yep.
Alright.
She's
One second.
standing up.
KU alert.
Alright, here's your change. Your pizza's coming out. Your pizza's coming out of the oven, but let me get their pepperoni.
All right.
Do they like the pepperoni
Yeah,
or the ham?
either one. They don't care. He'd eat snails if you gave him to him.
This is Jill. And this is Jack. They get extra pepperonis. They were the cutest. She almost fell.
She keeps slipping.
This one's an Isaac. Both of them. I like
Yeah, both of them are.
Yeah.
They're husband and wife.
They gotta be. Hi. That's all the pepperonis I got.
Yeah.
What breed are they?
Australian Chip, mini Aussies.
They're so soft.
She's a blue merle, he's a red merle.
How old are they?
He's 7, she's like 6 months.
We have a German Shepherd that's about 10 years old.
Or maybe she's 5 months.
And here's your dinner.
All right, thank you.
Of course, have a good night.
You too.
Nice seeing ya.
I go home and check my lotto numbers, my
Ooh.
Powerball.
Well, good luck.
I need that. I need that
Yep.
$1 billion.
Oh, yeah.
Then I could buy a few Dominoes.
Drive-Thru, give us all a gift.
Put one out in Blanca. Then I can get delivery.